In this video, I'll show you how to use the Claude AI API for images. This is a simple way to work with image-related features in your own apps and projects using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and have access to the API documentation or platform where I manage my API usage. Next, I'll open my development environment or the place where I want to test the API request. Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help me use the API for images. For example, I might type, "Show me how to use the Claude API to send an image," and get a response. After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate example code, which may include the API request, authentication setup, and the structure needed to send image inputs properly. If I want a more advanced setup, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the programming language, framework, or the kind of image task I want to perform. For example, I might type, "Show me how to use the Claude API for images in Python," and explain each part of the request. Claude can also help explain the code, fix errors, or adjust the request format for different use cases. Once the code is ready, I can copy or download the content and add it to my own project. After that, I can run the code in my development environment and test how the API works with image inputs. And that's it, I've successfully used the Claude AI API for images. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.